Yo, what's good? It's your bro Lo, and I'm bringing you guys another saucy enemy. Today was a losing day. You know, um, it was a winning day, and turned into a losing day. And I'm gonna show you guys exactly how that happened. You know, it's not fun. It doesn't feel good at all. But I want to make sure I bring you guys the most transparency and the most realism in this trading shit, man. I don't, you know what I'm saying? Yes, out of the 5 last trading days, this is the first losing day out of all the 5 past trading days. But you know, I'm gonna show you guys the emotions that I had, how I felt during all of that bullshit. Let me show you guys exactly. Look, so as you can see, look, $264, right? So I lost $264, and I'm gonna just go ahead and get right into it, man. I'm not gonna waste your time. All right, so right here I took an EU sell. Was looking for a price to run that previous daily low. It ran out Asia high right here, which is the buy side liquidity pool. Expecting price to start expanding from here. We used that FEG here, and also had FEGs here. All right, so I was confident in that previous daily low. Everything was going good right here. Really confident in this trade. Just expecting it to use this order block and use this range to start expanding towards that previous daily low. You know, so that's what I was looking for. You can see we started to get some expansion from there. Wanted to use that hourly fair value gap right here, not hourly FEG, this 1 minute FEG. All right, just looking for it to respect midnight open price to start running down to that previous daily low. And man, when I'm just looking at this, man, it's just you guys are gonna see how crazy it is. Like what happens when you could be overconfident and, you know, a little greedy. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're using that 1 minute FEG. It was a little high resistant during this price section right here. That news had happened at 8:30. Really didn't do much. But yeah, I was just looking for it to run lower from there. All right, so I said I wanted to see speed below here, just so that way I could potentially move my stop to maybe half of a loss or break even once we start really getting some speed down into there. So we're still using that same 1 minute FEG. We had a big move up, and so I marked out this FEG just to pay attention to that. All right, and anticipating price to run away from this area, right? So yeah, that's just what I was looking for. Yeah, like I said, this was a high resistant sell side liquidity run. Not quick to scale in or move my stop, so that's what I wasn't looking to do. So as you can see, we're still running lower. I said I wanted to see speed below that low. We started to get some speed there, and then boom, that was good right there. The fact that we got that speed. So what I did was I moved my stop right above there, and then I moved my stop as it kept purging that previous daily low around break even. I wanted to see if we kept expanding below these candles right here, these 5 minute candles. Right? How did we speed below here? Do we close below? Right? And everything was going good, man. Everything was straight. It looked like it was gonna be a big day today. You know what I'm saying? And it just well, boom, 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 back to smack. You know what I'm saying? Like, man, it just sucks to see this, right? Just to come back and look at this. But like I said, man, I want to be transparent with y'all. I want to show you guys what it takes to be a trader, what it actually takes to be profitable. Right, and you're gonna have days like this. So we started getting some expansion through that low right there, right? We closed, so do we keep expanding lower? That's what I wanted to see. All right, if we kept expanding lower there. So we kept getting a little bit of expansion lower. We were up $218, about $225. I could have took it there, right? Especially because we were below the previous daily low, but I wanted the 250, and I thought it was going way lower, at least monthly. That monthly consequent encroachment of that gap, and there was an hourly FEG resting right there. I thought that was gonna be the run today. We're gonna get a huge run. What I did was I scaled in here at this FEG, looking to make at least $500 to $750 today, right? So expecting the upper end half of that consequent encroachment to stay open. It was looking good. We were up 250 right there. I possibly could have took a partial there, you know, but woulda, coulda, shoulda. You know what I'm saying? Looking for expansion here. That's what I was looking for it to start expanding here. We were about to come into that 950 to 1010 macro. All right, so I was looking for it to start expanding right there. You know, but yeah, so right here, marking out the macro, looking for that macro to expand from there, right? Paying attention to that volume imbalance, but I wanted to see us hold the 50% of that. All right, we kept going back and forth to $200. I was really confident. I was accepting the $125 loss if it happened. So only to lose 125, scaled in to make 575, right? We were very close to taking out that trailing drawdown and, you know, being available, being able to get a payout. You know what I'm saying? But you know, overconfidence it can kill. You know what I'm saying? I don't think this trade really went bad. I think what really went bad. I mean, I could have TP'd and shit and took the 250, but what really went bad is me just really just, you know, expecting a lot out of this move. You know what I'm saying? So you can see we came up, hit this hit the consequent encroachment of that fair value gap. Thought we was gonna get that movement lower here. Thought we was gonna hold this, continue to hold this, right? Was still confident in the trade. Was still confident in EU going lower. But at the same time, we are below that previous daily low. We did run that, right? And, you know, it just went to shit from there. You know, it went to shit. Really got close to hitting me out, and that shit completely sucked. You know what I'm saying? So what I did was after I took that L, I thought it was still gonna go lower, but GU was a little bit weaker. So what I did was I went in to GU and took risks with GU, right? So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how that went, right? So we could have walked away with with that loss at 2,365, but you know, emotions got to me a little bit. I wanted to be a little bit risky. You know what I'm saying? I'm entered that GU trade right here and went right through that FEG. I thought the mean threshold of that order block was gonna hold and price was gonna potentially go lower again to go and clean out these lows, right? And that daily candle was gonna keep going lower. You know what I mean? But fuck. You know what I'm saying? Fuck me up. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? It started ranging right here, eating me up. While I was in this trade, I was just like, damn, man, I could have walked away with just taking that L. I was a little emotional. You know what I'm saying? I didn't completely tilt, but this trade I was a little emotional during this trade. You know what I'm saying? And that's to show you, man, you always have these emotions. You can't be perfect. You know what I'm saying? And this type of shit happens. It's just you gotta really control it. You know what I'm saying? When it happens. You know what I'm saying? But today I didn't have full control over it. You know what I mean? I really didn't have full control. Yeah, it fucked me up, bro. It fucked me up, bro. What can I tell you? What can I say? Like, what can I say, bro? It fucked me up. It fucked me up. You know what I'm saying? Today was not a good day. It wasn't a great day. You know, but it constantly just kept going against me, right? It just didn't look good. Today didn't look good at all. Yeah, I could have cut it, you know, and took a smaller loss or whatever, bro. But the logic wasn't all the way there. You know what I mean? It was not all the way there. You know, and yes, this is the first losing day out of all my winning days. You know what I'm saying? We're still up $250 for the week. You know, so far. We still got tomorrow. We still got the rest of the week. You know what I'm saying? So it's good that you know, even with this price action, how bad this shit went, it's good that I stopped. You know what I mean? I stopped. You got to be able to stop, so that way you don't blow all of your shit. You know what I'm saying? Just take that losing day. It's not like I have a personal lockout set or anything like that. I have to do all of this by myself. You know what I'm saying? And I should be able to do this by myself. No personal lockout. But there you go, man. That was the stop out, bro. Fuck! My fault, y'all. But yeah. But this is the reality, man. I want to be transparent with y'all. This is what you take L's. You know what I'm saying? But as you can see, We're at $2,236, so we're in $236 of profit for this week so far, right? I don't know how tomorrow's gonna go. You know what I mean? If there's a setup, there's a setup. If it's not, it's not. Next week is NFP week, man. But yeah, man, we took the L's today. We took the L's today. We got fucked up. And you know, I could have not got into this U trade and lost a whole nother $125, $130. You know what I'm saying? But it happens. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna go through the same thing as a trader. Not everybody always wins. You're not always gonna be a winner. And I just want to show you guys that you have to be able to stop. Even though I made mistakes and you know, I wasn't completely there, right? You gotta be able to take it to the chin. You know what I'm saying? You gotta catch yourself. I caught myself. I told myself, like, if I take this L right here, I have to be done, right? Even though I didn't have to be in the trade, but it happens. You know what I'm saying? It looked good. It looked like it was gonna continue lower, hitting this FEG and coming into this right here, and then I was expecting it to use this right here to continue lower. It looked good, but man, it just didn't play out. If it played out good, you know what I'm saying? Yes, my emotions wasn't straight, wasn't all the way, wasn't good. You know what I'm saying? I was a little greedy today. I was a little emotional today. I mean, even if it worked out, it would have been good. That would have been great. You know what I'm saying? But it didn't. It didn't work out. But at the same time, it's still good. It's still straight. You know what I'm saying? Took that loss. Today hurts, but it's not the end of the world. It's not gonna be the end of my trading career. You know what I'm saying? Usually back then, man, I would have tilted this shit. Probably would have tried to take another trade because I'm trying to fight the market, bro. But no, bro, we are trying to be profitable here. You know what I'm saying? And this is what the fuck it takes, man. So I hope you guys understand the reality of this. I hope you guys enjoy seeing me take a loss like this and how I'm dealing with it, how I dealt with it. You know what I'm saying? How I just stopped. I didn't keep going. You know what I mean? So I hope you guys get a lot of nuggets with this, and like hopefully it helps you you know, realize that you're not alone in this trading shit, and this shit happens, and you got to be able to just stop and move on and move forward. You know what I'm saying? After you take a loss. But yeah, bro, that's the mental game right there. That's mental right there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and smash that like button for me. I'm not wasting no more of y'all time. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you like seeing dumbass degenerates take L's like this, you know what I'm saying? Subscribe. Share the video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.